Smiling faces, warm embraces, possibilities all ignite. Then the next morning, I drive over my favorite shirt. Why do my New Year's resolutions never reach their full? It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be with us.
Hey guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Thursday and we are in Dallas. I can't tell you guys how excited I am. I'm just so happy to be away from Minnesota. It's actually chilly here, or like no jokes. It's like when it's about to be winter in Minnesota, which is fine. So I'm glad I actually brought my socks. So I'm going to be heading out shortly to go and get some groceries for us, some body wash and towel. But I think I'm going to just stay and watch my new YouTube video that is going to premiere in a few minutes, in about 8-9 minutes. But in the meantime, I'm going to go and brush my teeth. I just realized I didn't introduce myself. So my name is Adobe Okonkwo Bakoro. On this channel, I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, building a career and living your best life. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a day in my life, or at least trying to. There's nothing much happening today. I'm just going to be editing my videos, trying to get as many as I can possibly get done out of the way today, and also upload them and schedule them. So I have the next couple of days, including Christmas, to just really relax and enjoy my stay here in Dallas. I'm currently in Dallas with my husband, who is behind there making some tea for himself, but I'm really excited to be away. I already said that, but yeah, I'm going to go and brush my teeth and continue editing my winter night routine. I came to the bathroom, I've been having cold for the past couple of days. I am exhausted. I don't know if you guys can tell from my eye bags, but I'm really glad to be away from Minnesota. I'm gonna try to make the best use of today. As she responded regarding the gym.
Night city life, it always gets so played out. Getting tired of all this talking. Maybe we should go back to your place all night tonight. Give me reasons why we shouldn't stay the night to fight this feeling. We both know that it feels right. I'm in so deep and now I can't help myself. Don't wanna see you walk away now. I just think that you should stay a while. 'Cause I can't help but feel that you're the one I shouldn't let go. The way you look into my eyes, I can't believe this happened so slow. Now I don't ever wanna go home, 'cause I know that I could never leave you alone. We're stuck here trying to find our way back. You say you need somebody, but it's not like that.
So I just literally finished my editing for my winter night routine. So I'm going to go ahead and export it, and I'll start heading out to get groceries because I am so hungry and it is almost 1 o'clock. I did not plan on spending this much time editing this. The more I use DaVinci Resolve, the more I get to really enjoy and like all the functionalities it offers. And I'm almost like goodbye Final Cut Pro. It's just that I feel like Final Cut Pro is a lot easier to use. It's not as very busy as you guys saw, but yeah, let me show you just a sneak peek of what the intro for this video looks like. I don't know if it's me, but I feel like the colors so bright. Like the reds are red, and it didn't used to be so on my Final Cut Pro, and I don't think I messed around with the saturation when I was editing. At least select everything and then go to deliver, and this is where I'm going to be exporting this.
Late to change your mind tonight. Don't wanna see you walk away now. I just think that you should stay a while.
Alright, I think it worked now. I just had to restart the software itself, but it is working. It shows 2 minutes, 2%. So I'm gonna start heading out because man, I'm famished and I brushed my teeth. Oof. Exactly.
Under the moonlight, we fell in love when we looked into each other's eyes. We've gone the distance, I've waited for so long.
I'm going at
Sweet like candy, I miss the taste.
Just got some items at Kroger and we have a lot of stuff, but this should be enough for the 2+ weeks that we're going to be spending here. And we literally just came in yesterday, so by the time we cook today, would have used a couple of the items here. But other than that, everything is going well. I just need to figure out. Oh, and then we got some Coke. But what we decided to do is so once I get home, I'm gonna make some bread toast for us to eat because I'm so hungry, and then I'll make that rice that I told you guys about. I have a recipe in my head that should work for it.
Oh, I'm melting when you're gone. Sweet was the day when you finally came. I could hold you in my arms, and then you sang to me a song about how we were meant to be.
We just got home. So yeah, we just got home and we bought a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and unpack them and start cooking because this girl is famished. My husband just poured me a glass of orange juice so I can have something in my tummy because I'm so hungry. The stuff that I want to do, I'm gonna cut all the fruits that we bought, put them into Ziplocs and put them in the freezer so they don't spoil, and then we can just use them and make smoothies. Thankfully, I saw a blender. Hopefully, I didn't test it before going, but I'm hoping it works. Because if it doesn't, it's going to suck because most of the stuff that I bought involves blending. But yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe. All right, I'll see you every time. Most importantly, repeated the whole day. It's the hunger of Miami. Can't cook. Eh?
I want to pick up your socks and line up our shoes. Fold all your laundry up and leave a note too. I like to do the things I do. The things I do for you. I feed you frozen cherries without the bits. I'll give you all my kisses till I'm blue in the lips. And all these things I do for you. I run up when you call my name. Oh, how my cheeks turn pink on cue. You're oh so good to me, my dear. And well, it helps that you're a dreamy guy too. You get me ice cold water in a glass for two. You never miss a show of mine. You're always so true. So I can love you like I do. Because I know you love me too. up your socks and line up our shoes. Fold all your laundry up and leave a note too. I like to do the things I do. The things I do for you. I feed you frozen cherries without the bits. I'll give you all my kisses till I'm blue in the lips. And all these things I do for you. I've run up when you call my name. Oh, how much.
Alright, to shower, I'm going to be using this. My face is white because I haven't applied face cream.